Hello fellow couponers, today I'm going to show you how I got these 5 products for super cheap using coupons and also using an app called Ibotta. So this is kind of going to be a how to use Ibotta video to show you how it works. In order to obviously use Ibotta, you need to download the app, so I'll include a link in the About section below that includes our referral code, which will give you, I think it varies depending on when you sign up, but sometimes they offer $5 off and sometimes they offer $5 back or $10 back. So you're going to open Ibotta, and then mine's already set to the recommended retailers because I've chosen ones that I frequent. And today I shopped at Walmart. So if I go into Walmart, it's going to show me the offers that are currently there, and these are all rebates, which means that after you buy the product, you're going to scan the receipt and then you're going to get a rebate back through Ibotta, and not until you get to $20 will you be able to cash out, if you will. So you just go through the offers and you scroll through until you find ones that interest you. And this is one that I got today. This is a new Johnson's baby product, select varieties. So I got this Johnson's head to toe for that. And what you always want to do in store is check product barcode. So that UPC symbol on the back that you scan, you know, when it makes the beep at the register, you want it to make sure it gives you that check mark that says matched offer. Otherwise, if you buy this and then try to hit redeem, it will not count, and then you're either stuck with a more expensive product or you have to go back to the store and return it. So really quickly, I wanted to show you, I found out about these deals mostly through the Crazy Coupon Lady, which is a website and also an app, so I'll include a link to that below. And as you can see, I used several different coupons. So for this Noxzema cream, it was $8.98. I used a $4 coupon, and then there's a $4 rebate as well. For the Poise, I used a $2 coupon off of that $4.84, and I will get $3 back, so that one's going to be a 26 cents or 16 cents profit. The Aveeno lotion was $6.97. I had a $3 coupon and I'll get $2 back. So that one was a little more expensive. The Neutrogena, this one was $4.77. I used a $2 coupon and I will get $2 back, so that will be 77 cents. This is the Johnson's, the $3.92 is the Johnson's that I just showed you guys. I used a $2 coupon and then I'll get $2 back, so there's an 8 cents profit margin there. So the very cool thing about Ibotta and Walmart is that the receipt is super easy. You don't even have to take a picture of it. If this was a CVS receipt, I'd have to take a picture of the entire receipt and then wait a long time to hear back whether or not, I got the rebates. But with Walmart, all you do is you hit redeem, and then you're going to scan the QR code, which is this little mess down there, if you will. So we hit continue, and it already picked it up. I didn't even get it over the darn thing before it picked it up. So now it's going to find the offers of the products that I bought. I have 5 matched offers. So the Johnson's & Johnson's, the Neutrogena Acne, the Aveeno lotion, the Poise, and the $4 Neutrogena. So in total, I'll get $13 back. And as you can see, I paid $19.49. So technically, I really only paid, after I get the $13 back, $6 for all of those products. So we're just going to hit collect 5 purchases, and then it's sending the receipt. And then I will get an email that will say whether or not my account has been credited once the receipt is sent in. So if we go to my account and you see I have pending $13, $16.20 is currently what I have in my account. So after the 13 I'll have $29.20. And you can see that I've earned $2,180.14 in my lifetime earnings. And I think I've had Ibotta for maybe 4 or 5 years. So it's not a huge money maker, but it's been good to me. And then I might also get some bonuses. I'm working towards the snowman bonus, snowman savings. This is when you redeem, well, it just counted those 6, those 5 that I just bought. But when you redeem 15 offers before the 4th of December, so I only have a couple more days to get that done. But based on the fact that it already counted those 5 offers because it was only 1 and I have 6 of 10 for this teamwork bonus. And teamwork has to do with, you know, if you sign up with my referral code, then you'll be part of my team. And then the same when you have people sign up under your referral code, they'll be a part of your team. So, oh, it still says pending, so maybe it hasn't gone through yet. And then for the referral, you're going to get $10 when you sign up, I think. But after you submit your first receipt, and this is our referral code. Alright, so it's been less than a minute or two, and my cat Charlie came to say hi. But I already got the $13 back from Walmart, which is great. And now I can withdraw cash. Now my options are PayPal, Venmo, which you'd have to have an account on both of those in order to withdraw to those. And then you have all these gift card options. So Amazon, AMC Theaters, Applebee's, Barnes & Noble. Sometimes I like to just get another Walmart gift card down here. Oh, it wants me to verify my phone number. Alright, I verified my phone number. Now you can see the options for the Walmart gift card, or you can get a $20 gift card, a $25 gift card, or a $50 gift card. And obviously the 50 one I can't select yet because I'm only at $30. And it might vary a little bit, like I think the Amazon one. No, Amazon's 20, 25, 50, and 100. And let's just go into like Whole Foods. Whole Foods, $20 and $30. So it just depends on which gift card you're looking to get, which one you would select, and then you would select the amount, get it, and then you'd enter your Ibotta password, and then probably within 5 minutes, this e-gift card is sent to you. You can print it off or just bring it up on your phone when you're in the store and use it there. I don't want to redeem it right now. I'm busy collecting more. I want to wait until I get to those bonuses, which are the $5 and the 50 cents. I should get those about the same time since they're the same amount of products that I need. Now here's the email that you're going to get. Ibotta, you earned $14 at Walmart. That's why it was above $29, because I ended up getting the Neutrogena and Aveeno bonus that I'd forgotten was around. So instead of $13, I got $14 back. And then it shows you, you know, where you are with your bonuses and all that good stuff. Alright guys, so that's my how-to Ibotta video at Walmart. I love Ibotta. It has been good to me, and it's super easy to use at Walmart because of that QR code right there. Let me know if you have any questions in the About section or in the comment section below. I'll include a link to our referral code, which if you found value in this video, I would appreciate you using, just to help us keep going and creating more videos for you to learn more about couponing. And again, just for the couponing matchups for Ibotta and what's going on, go to crazycouponlady.com, then go to deals, and then click on Ibotta deals. And they have the Ibotta deals for a number of retailers, including CVS and Target, Walmart, and other retailers. Thanks so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it enjoyable and helpful. We'll see you next time.